Good morning, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this morning we're almost ready to put this single family home on the market. The address is 934 Delano Street here in San Lorenzo. It's unincorporated Alameda. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1680 square feet of living space. And the lot size is 5,208 square feet. And it was constructed in 2004. So fairly new, very contemporary looking. Has a huge 2-car garage out front. Fresh sod with sprinklers out front. Extra large driveway in case you want extra parking out front, in front of the garage. So obviously the house is in the back here, but you've got, you know, it's beautiful stamped concrete. There's your gas meter. Electric meter. Got all the modern conveniences of a newer home. So what I've noticed being here is the house behind the garage it's very private, very quiet back here. It should be ready for this weekend. I'm just waiting for photos to come in. We have all the reports and disclosures available in case you need them. Let me know, and I'll take you inside. It's a really nice entry into the living room. Got these raised ceilings throughout. Architectural accents above the door frame with archways. New carpeting was just installed. The entryway actually has tile. This is like a ceramic style tile, so it's very durable. And then you have your formal living, formal dining area. Get an idea of the layout here. A lot of, even though it's a cloudy day, cloudy morning, it's actually there's nice natural light that comes through here. And then into the kitchen. So you not only have formal dining there, but you also have a nook dining or secondary dining, also known as an eating kitchen. Great size kitchen with skylights, dishwasher, stainless steel sink. I think these are Formica covered cabinets with the tile border. Gas stove, which is, I think will appeal to a lot of home buyers. Built-in microwave. Refrigerator will stay. And more storage here. Can't say enough about this house. Definitely has the cabinet space and storage. And then let's not forget about the kitchen pantry. And then also you have a laundry room. So the furnace is here. Laundry, you can either go by, with the dryer, you can either go electric or gas. So there's the gas stem there, and then your electrical hookup for the dryer. There's the water lines and drain. And then also, you got a kind of like a dog run out here. This is also stamped concreted, so good for pets, or if you need additional area for storage. Water heater is here in this closet. Give you a nice idea of what the layout is here. I've got a coat closet here, and then into bedroom 1. So again, it's this. This is the laminate. Yeah, I believe this is laminate style, but very durable. Bedroom 1, again, raised ceilings in the bedrooms. 1680 square feet of living space. Would probably make it feel much bigger. Bedroom 2, same thing. I think they're about equal sized. This one might be a little bit smaller. And each room has a ceiling fan, closet with additional storage below. There's the view out the front overlooking the garage. More storage here for linens. And then the hall bathroom. Single vanity. And a shower over tub. And I believe this is a skylight, sky tube light, which is nice. So kitchen, laundry, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, living, formal dining, oversized kitchen, and again, incredible skylights throughout this floor plan. Can't say enough about the lighting here. And then into the primary bedroom. And again, raised ceilings, nice and open floor plan. Very bright. And then into the primary bathroom. And again, raised ceilings, more skylights, unbelievable lighting here. You have a sunken tub here, jetted tub actually. Walk-in closet. And then even a second one. There we go. So 2 walk-in closets. More storage. There's only 1 vanity. And then the toilet closet. And then also, let's not forget about the shower. So, very functional. packs a lot, and there's a lot of house in 1,680 square feet here. A lot of great things here. Nice open floor plan. Let's see if I can open this door. Into the backyard. So very clean. Owners put a lot of work and attention to detail here. This special note here is this is an avocado tree. According to what the seller's telling me, it produces a lot of avocados. Very mature. Backyard. I know it's all dirt, but it's ready for landscaping. And then obviously the access into the sub area. So really very clean home. Literally a turnkey property. I don't think you're going to find too much wrong with this place. And we should have the reports here later on today. And then also, let's not forget about the detached garage. So we've got this this walkway through here, and then into the garage. So it's 21 by 23 feet. It's a good size. You got a workbench here. Surveillance will come with the property. Circuit breakers. And let's not forget about additional storage up on top in the attic or in the rafters. Newer style garage door opener with a battery backup system. Let's see if I can open this. This is it's quite a garage. I mean, the utility here is really nice. And then also possibly for down the road, maybe an eventual accessory dwelling unit. So the address is 934 Delano Avenue. Should have it ready here sometime later on this weekend. Just waiting for the final photos. My name is Harry Cordiano. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to make an appointment to view this property, feel free to give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686, and thank you for viewing today.